start. In the counter affidavit filed to the amended parts of the writ petition, it was reiterated that the appointment of the petitioners had been made without following due procedure prescribed under the law, and it was in violation of the rules 4, 5, 7, 9, 10, and 11 of the rules 1978, and therefore no salary could be paid to the petitioners from the state exchequer, and it was only the management of the institution which would be responsible for payment of salary, if any, to the petitioners. It was further said that the BSA had written letter dated 27/4/2005 to the manager of the institution, in which the BSA had said that the appointment of the petitioners was made in violation of the rules 1978 without any permission, creation of the post by the government, and without permission, approval, appointment of the petitioners had allegedly been made. It was further said that when the institution sent the papers for receiving grants in aid, the names of the petitioners were not mentioned in the list of teachers working in the institution, and therefore there was no question of making any payment of salary to the petitioners, and it was for the management of the institution to make payment to the petitioners, as the management of the institution had allegedly appointed them. A specific stand was also taken that the alleged letters of the BSA regarding permission to open new sections and approval of appointment of the petitioners were forged documents. After the interim order was obtained and the BSA wrote a letter dated 27/4/2005 to the management of the institution, denying the payment of salary from state exchequer as mentioned above, contempt petition bearing contempt number 1515 of 2005 came to be filed before this court for alleged violation, non-compliance of the interim order dated 21/5/2005. This court-wide order dated 23/4/2013 directed the BSA as well as Finance and Accounts Officer Ambedkar Nagar to remain present in the court to show cause as to why contempt proceedings be not initiated against them for not complying the interim order dated 21/2/2005. On 8/5/2013, as directed by this court-wide order dated 23/4/2013, BSA as well as Finance and Accounts Officer Ambedkar Nagar were present in person. It appears that some time was asked by them regarding compliance of the order dated 21/2/2005. However, this court again directed the BSA and the Finance Accounts Officer to remain present on the next date of listing of the contempt petition on 22/5/2013. On 22/5/2013, the BSA and the Finance and Accounts Officer remained present before this court on the said date. It appears that they assured the court that the interim order dated 21/2/2005 would be complied, and within a period of 1 month, affidavits filed by the BSA and Finance and Accounts Officer were taken on record, and on the basis of the said assurance, framing of the charges against them was deferred, and it was observed that in case the interim order was not complied with, both the officers would appear in person again for framing of charges. The case was directed to be listed